Right, good morning students. Today our class Acids and Bases video 3. What we have to speak in this concept, that is important. Look here, we have few concepts: acids, bases and salts. Today concept is testing of H2 gas, hydrogen gas. Testing of hydrogen gas, how it is possible? Is there any reactions to identify the hydrogen gas or not? That is important. So look here, hydrogen gas testing purpose. First of all, we need to write definition correctly. How we can get or how we can understand is released gas is hydrogen. So H2 gas released can be tested by, look at H2 gas released can be tested by bringing burning candle near gas bubbles. It burst with a pop sound. Here one sound indicator also written for you. When you are bringing near burning candle near the H2 gas bubbles, then that burning candle can burst with pop sound. Already you are given for you. Burst with the pop sound is possible or not? First of all, arrange like these arrangements. This here H2 gas is releasing from this solution when you are thinking. Then H2 gas releasing purpose one pipe there, and you should use in this container soapy water. When you are using in this container soapy water, then from the soapy water, when bubbles of hydrogen can release, that released bubbles near keep burning candle. That burning candle can give pop sound will burst. Mean it will put off, but pop sound will come before put off the candle. Before off the candle, burning candle. Before of the burning candle, we will get one pop sound. And it will burst with the pop sound. Okay. Next, reaction of metal carbonates. Reaction of metal carbonates are metal hydrogen carbonates with acids and bases. Look here. Reaction of metal carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates with acids. First of all, acid plus metal carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates gives rise to salt plus CO2 plus H2O. Salt, any one salt you will get, and CO2 gas you will get, and H2O drop you will get. Look here, 2HCl, 2HCl acid plus Na2CO3 sodium carbonate. It is a metal. Sodium carbonate. It is a metal. Gives rise to 2NaCl, that is a salt, sodium chloride, and CO2 and H2O. Now then, you take now metal hydrogen carbonate. I told na. So hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate. Look here, HCl plus NaHCO3 gives rise to NaCl, salt, plus CO2, gas, and plus H2O. Now look here with the bases. With bases, how metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates react. With the bases, how metal carbonates or metal hydrogen carbonates will react. Look here, bases do not react with metal carbonates. Single one point. Do not react with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates. Over. Next, testing of CO2 gas which is released in above reactions. Above reactions we got H2O mean water molecule. Okay, CO2 gas is released or not, we will get doubt. Then CO2 gas released or not, for testing purpose we have here two methods. Look here, one method I written for you. CO2 gas can be tested by passing it through lime water. Lime water formula have you know? Ca and OH of 2. When you are passing CO2 gas with CO2 gas released with in above reaction. When CO2 gas released with above reaction, that CO2 gas just pass through CaOH of 2 lime water. When you are passing that CO2 gas with CaOH of 2 lime water, then what's happening? Look here. CaOH of 2 lime water is colorless solution. Actually, colorless solution is reacting with CO2. When you are passing CO2 through lime water, then look here. CaCO3 milky solution. This colorless solution comes into white milky solution. When you are passing CO2 gas through it, then milky solution CaCO3 calcium carbonate plus H2O. And another one point there. When excess carbon dioxide is passed through calcium carbonate, this milky solution is there now. When again you are passing carbon dioxide through this milky solution, I mean calcium carbonate, through calcium carbonate, when you are passing again excess carbon dioxide gas, what's happening? Look here. CaCO3 calcium carbonate plus CO2 excess CO2, okay, give and plus H2O gives rise to CaHCO3 calcium hydrocarbonate. This is colorless solution. Actually, calcium carbonate is a milky solution. When excess carbon dioxide passes through it, it converts into colorless solution. And what is next given? Reaction of acids and bases with each other. How acid and bases will react? After reaction, what we will get? Look here. Acid plus base gives rise to salt plus H2O. Any one salt you will get and water drop you will get H2O. Is it right or wrong? Again we have doubt. So example, HCl plus NaOH gives rise to NaCl plus H2O. Here neutralization reaction I will teach you now. I mean tomorrow. Thank you.